What's up, everybody? It's Brian with Two Indians. How's it going? I'm coming to you from the back roads of Central Florida on my way to work out to the beautiful, scenic, cozy little town of Mount Dora, which is where my office is. And I'm just on one of these nice little back roads here, headed to work. It's a gorgeous morning, 59 degrees when I got up. What is it now? Let's see, 62. It is not 9:28, it's 8:28 in the morning. But it is so. I also know it's chilly because my TPMS is on. We all know how reliable those things are, right? Good morning, everybody. I am so happy to be able to talk to you from the helmet cam. I am not happy that these jackwagons decided to pull out in front of me. Some yahoo in their little CRV is undoubtedly gonna ruin my ride to work, because up ahead are some of the nicest little curves we have, dare I say, twisties in Central Florida. So you know how we do it. We slow down a little bit and we let them try to get ahead. This person looks like they're going really slow. But I wanted to say good morning to you and thank you guys for being so patient while I work on these scads of videos that I've got sitting in the queue. Doing a video on the ride to Savannah that we did. Give her a little juice around the corner here. Whee! Nice and easy, nothing too crazy. Yes, I'm working on a video about our very sentimental and heartfelt ride a group of us did up to Savannah. It's a really incredible story of strength and fortitude, and I hope you guys check that one out when it comes out. I'm also working on a video on my 20,000 mile review of this beautiful 2018 Indian Springfield, which I absolutely adore. I'm also working on a video of all my favorite upgrades and accessories and parts for this bike. That is another one that's in the works. I've got, oh gosh, probably another 3 or 4 video on top of that. They all escape me right now. Oh, here we go. Whee! Oh boy. Gotta pay attention out here. Hey guys. But I wanted to say thanks for all of your patience, because man, it has been a couple weeks, if not more, since I've gotten a video out. And as you all know, I had a really busy October and early November, what with being in Laguna Seca, and then the very following week, after just a couple days back from California, Barb and I went up to the mountains in North Georgia. And of course, I did put out a video on our stop over there at Mall of Georgia Indian, which was a great time. Thank you, Paul. And but since then, I don't think I've really done anything except for a live broadcast, and just weeks and weeks keep going by. But man, we had a death in the family. So sad about the loss of our dear Aunt Barb. What a cool woman. I don't know if I should really do a video about her, because y'all don't know her and it doesn't really matter to you guys, but man, talk about a lady that's had a great life, living in the Keys, boating every day, golfing every other day, just you know, a 70-something-year-old woman out on the boat trapping her own bait fish and lobstering, and man, what a life she's had. Great lady, super funny, lots of fun. Anyway, she passed just about a week or 2 ago, and that's been heavy on our hearts, and you know, a lot of family communications going on with that, as you all know. Pretty typical. And I've just been so busy, man. I haven't really had time to devote to any one particular thing. And I guess my biggest issue is because I get so distracted with all of these videos that I've got in the works. You know, I work on one and then I work on another, and oh shit, I forgot to get this shot or this video on this or that. You know, it takes me away from what I'm working on. I don't know, one of these days I'm going to get all this stuff done, and it's going to be awesome because I'm going to be able to post video after video after video after video all winter long while you guys are freezing your asses off up in the Great White North, and I'm going to be riding down here and just enjoying life. So hang on, hang tight. We got some great stuff coming out for you. And because it's a couple days before Thanksgiving, I want to tell you guys how much we really appreciate everything that you guys do by supporting us and supporting our channel. And if you do want to support the channel, you can join our little membership family down below. You just click that join button, and for the price of a cup of coffee a month or more if you choose, you can help us to produce these videos and keep Barbara off my back for all the gear I have to keep buying, new batteries and SD cards and camera here or there, and all the travel shit that we do. And you know, it gets expensive, and it's hard to justify all the cost and expense when you consider how much it is, but I don't care. Anyway, if you guys can help, I appreciate it. If not, no big deal. We know times are tough out there for sure. All right, this is one of my favorite roads. You guys get to come on this with me, and I'm excited about that. I think I've taken you on this road before. It's called Round Lake Road, and that's because this big curve up ahead here goes around the lake. Actually, it's more of a pond. Here in Florida, we call little ponds lakes. But it's really cool because you got about a 40 or 50 foot drop in elevation here and a really nice curve. You probably can't see this elevation change, but boy, I sure can. We're going down, 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 down. Up a little bit and then down again. Whee! And this part is awesome here because you come up over this hill and then you just go right through this tunnel of oaks that are just hanging over the street. You go down here, probably about a 25 foot drop in elevation here. You can see it going up in the other way. I love it. Well, I tell you, there's a lot of great things about riding in Central Florida. Being downtown is not one of them. Being outside of town is. Oh, we love it. Oh, it feels so good to ride to work. I don't get to very often, but when I do, I am thankful. We should all be thankful for everything we have, for what little we have. You know, being grateful, I guess thankful is the same thing. Being grateful, let's see, what gear was I in? Okay. Being grateful is one of the greatest virtues, I think. No matter where you are in life, man, we started out very poor. High school dropout. I don't know, maybe I shouldn't tell you all that. Anyway, I am very grateful. You know what I'm grateful for? I'm grateful for COVID, because this incredible piece of land over here to my right was slated to be bulldozed earlier this year to start construction of a new high school. And it's just a beautiful plot of land. It's I think it's over 100 acres. I don't think Winnie the Pooh lives there, but they're gonna bulldoze the whole damn thing and put in a high school. So you know what that means. No more country road out here. One of the things I'm not grateful for is this mushroom farm. Because every weekend they get a gigantic load of chicken shit delivered. Oh, ho, ho, and there it is. Oh, Lord, if you can smell that, oh my God. If you've ever been by a chicken farm, that is what the mushroom farm smells like. Oh, whoo, hoo, hoo. Man, is that rank. I'm afraid to breathe. Let me see. Oh my gosh, it stinks. Oh, okay. I guess I'm gonna leave it here, folks. I think I've probably jabbered on long enough. Hey, thanks again for being so patient. We love you guys. We love all your support. I think I've already said that. Barb and I are going to be working on videos this weekend, Thanksgiving weekend. Maybe get a ride in. We love you. Thanks again. Peace out. 2 Indians. Bye-bye.